Hi, welcome to Builderall Design Lab. I'm Sarah, and today we're going to create and build a landing page for Mielora, a bee-powered skincare brand that I created. I'm going to walk you through my design process and show you how I built this page using Builderall's website builder. Let's dive right in. I start with the icon design first. I choose a structured hive graphic to frame my bee illustration. This shape helps ground the design while still highlighting the softness of the bee's drawing style. I then move on to the typography. For this project, I chose Cormorant Garamond. I like this font because it feels elegant and timeless without feeling stiff. The soft contrast in the letter forms adds a sense of refinement, which works really nice for a skincare brand. It also pairs really well with the organic visuals and the warm color palette, helping the brand feel calm and intentional. Next, I create my color palette. I want it to feel warm and inviting, so I choose tones inspired by raw honey, beeswax, and botanicals. You'll notice a nice honey gold paired with muted soft clay tones that work beautifully on website banners. What I like about this palette is how calm and inviting it feels. None of the colors is trying to compete for your attention. Instead, they work together to create a soft, harmonious atmosphere, exactly what you want from a skincare brand. Next, I plan the website structure by laying out a quick sitemap. Before heading into the package design, I wanted to highlight my main product with a memorable honey jar-inspired serum bottle. I'll dive deeper into this in another video, so be sure to watch the rest of the series. Once I feel confident with the look and feel, I create a new blank page in Builderall and start setting it up and uploading my brand assets into the Builderall Business Toolkit. Now it's time to head into the builder. I start by designing my navigation panel. My sections are About, Ingredients, Products, and Community, which I called Rituals. I keep the menu clear and simple so users immediately understand what the website is all about. Next, I block in all my main sections from top to bottom, and in just a few clicks, my page starts taking shape. In the next video, we'll design the hero image and create the site's first impression. I've also prepared this page as a downloadable template that you can add directly into your account. Let me know what you think of the design, and I'll see you next time.